Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies cake. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare your cake pan by greasing and flouring it or lining it with parchment paper. This initial setup ensures a smooth baking process and easy removal of your delicious cookies cake. Let's begin our baking adventure. Now, let's mix the dough. In a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened butter with 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of brown sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet, mixing until just combined. With your dough ready, it's time to bake. Press the cookie dough evenly into your prepared 9-inch round cake pan. Ensure the dough is spread from edge to edge for consistent thickness. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until the edges are golden brown and the center is set. Once baked, let the cookies cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Patience is key for perfect texture. Finally, the fun part, decorating and serving. Once your cookies cake is completely cool, prepare your favorite frosting or glaze. Spread the frosting evenly over the top, then get creative with sprinkles, chocolate chips, or other toppings. Slice your magnificent creation into generous portions. This delightful cookies cake is perfect for any celebration or simply as a special treat. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.